Okay, hello everybody. I was baling hay yesterday and I got low on fuel and I ran the tractor almost empty and I put 10 gallons in it and the tractor started losing power and losing revs. So I think my fuel filters are plugged with the sludge stuff from the bottom of the tank. So we're going to change those out today and I'll show you how. We're going to start. We got to pull this side shield off. So we've got two straps and it just comes right off. And then we've got our two fuel filters. We got these spring clips that you just push in and pull up. And that spring pops off. And then we've got Napa 3371 fuel filters. These are box style filters. So we're just gonna pull this one off, keep it upside down, put the new one on. Try and keep it as straight as we can so we don't get any dirt on the O-rings. And then this clip snaps in on the bottom, and then it snaps back in on the top. Okay, we're going to get this other filter on. Same thing, spring clip. Knock it loose. And then we put this new one on, just like that one. There. Okay, now those are on. Okay, so we let the system gravity bleed. There's two vents on top of each of these filter bases. There's one here, and there's one here. You loosen those, you let fuel bleed through the system by gravity, and then you bleed this screw up here. This filter didn't want to go on very good, so I had to take a flathead screwdriver and twist it just a little bit to get it over. There's two tabs that hold the filters in a certain place, and I had to twist the filter over to get it to set right. But it should be bled. We're going to try and start it now. finish up this field here. We've got our air working, and we're gonna get going. We're gonna stick it in third gear. I have the cab taken apart so I can put a gasket in. And we're gonna start our PTO up, get it up to about 980 RPMs on the 1000 shaft, and we'll go ahead and start it. We've done 83 bales so far. Tractor's running well. After we replace the fuel filters, I blew the air filter out too. On this bottom piece, it's a little rough, so I've been running third gear, over and direct. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more like this. We'll see you in the next one.